influence of the printed page, more than 1,000 will soon be converted in one day. Wow! Yung influensya daw ng printed page, kapatid, more than 1,000 will soon be converted in one day. Kasi the Holy Spirit's movement ito Most of whom will trace their first conviction to the reading of our publications. Wow!
Sometimes blind us to the truth. Our Father knows what's best for us. His way are not our own. So when the pathway grows dim, and you just
But much larger number who really will not take their position. Hindi pa sila until they see, nakikita sa mata nila, the very events taking place that are foretold nila. Yung libro na sinishare ni Sister Raquel sa prison ministry, kasi ito sila walang opportunity na pwede mong katukin at ibigyan. Wala silang opportunity. Now, here is the publication. So, yung publication, may significant value ito, kapatid. Kaya kung may nakatago kayong kayamanan dyan, ay maging hadlang pa yan sa paglakad, paangat natin sa langit. Spend it as your treasures in heaven by letting it reach to the souls